Have you ever wondered why some people just seem to sweep us off our feet and capture our hearts? Or why we feel a strong connection to someone we just met? Today, we are going to dive into the science of love and uncover the mystery of why we fall in love. So whether you are searching for love or just curious about the topic, you won't want to miss this. Before proceeding ahead, make sure to subscribe this awesome channel and hit the bell icon. The role of hormones in love. Hormones play a crucial role in our emotion and feelings of love. When we fall in love, our bodies release a cocktail of hormones, including dopamine, norepinephrine, and oxytocin, which trigger feeling of pleasant excitement and bonding. A study published in the journal Psychology Today found that people who were in love had higher level of dopamine, which is associated with feelings of happiness. The importance of physical attraction. Physical attraction is another factor that plays a role in why we fall in love. Research has shown that we are naturally drawn to people who are physically attractive, as it signals genetic fitness and good health. A study published in the journal Personality and Social Psychology Review found that people who were more physically attractive were more likely to be approached and pursued as romantic partners. The power of shared experiences. Shared experiences can also bring people closer and foster feeling of love. A study published in the journal Psychology Today found that couples who engage in shared activities such as traveling or going to concerts together reported higher levels of relationship satisfaction and love. These experiences create positive memories and deepen our emotional connection with our partner. Compatibility. Compatibility is also a crucial factor in why we fall in love. A study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that couples who share similar values, interests, and personality traits are more likely to have a long-lasting and satisfying relationships. Compatibility creates a sense of understanding and connection, which is essential in any successful relationship. Love is a complex and multifaceted emotion that is influenced by a variety of factors, including hormones, physical attraction, shared experiences, and compatibility. By understanding these factors, we can gain a better insight into why we fall in love and what it takes to maintain a happy and healthy relationship. So that's it for today. If you are interested in learning more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with new content. Let's explore the mysteries of love together.